Okay, so we're going to solve this problem using the long division strategy. You can see down the side over here, I've got some letters to help remind me of what to do during this strategy. Okay, they stand for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and then this R can be for repeat if we need to do it again, or it might be a remainder if there's not enough left over. Okay, so what we want to do is think about our number here. We've got 189, which is actually our dividend. It's the number we're dividing up. This is our divisor. We're going to divide how many times 5 goes into this. And we're going to end up with our quotient, which is our answer up here. Okay, so let's go through this stage and I'll just show you how it works. All right, so we're going to ask how many times does 5 fit into 1? Okay, well it doesn't fit, so we have to go and look at the whole of the next two numbers, okay? So we're going to look at 18. All right, so how many times does 5 go into 18? Well, it goes 3 times, 5, 10, 15. So I'm going to put above, not the 1, because it doesn't go into 1. It goes into 18 3 times. Okay, so I've got to make sure that I'm lining up my numbers in the correct place value. Okay, so I don't get things mixed up. All right, so I've done 5 into 18, goes 3 times, divided. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 5 and write my answer underneath. 3 5s are 15. Okay, then I'm going to subtract and see what's left over. Okay, so I put a line there, 18 minus 15 gives me 3. Okay, so what I've done now is I have to bring down. I've done divide, multiply, subtract. Now I bring down the next number because, does 5 go into 3? No, it's less than 3. So I can't say that 5 goes into 3 because it doesn't. So now I bring down the next number, which is a 9. Okay, so now I can say, can 5 go into 39? So this is my repeat. I'm going back to the start. All right, does 5 go into 39? Yes, it does. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so I know that 5 7s are 35. If I go to 5 8s, it's going to be 40, too much. So I know that I can go 7 times here. So I've done my division. Let's multiply. 7 5s are 35. Notice how I'm keeping everything in place value. I've done my multiply, I'm going to subtract now. 39 minus 35. That's a 9, by the way. 39 minus 35 gives me 4. Okay, so can I bring down anything? No, I can't because that's the end of the number. Okay, so do I repeat? Nope. I now have a remainder because can 5 go into 4? No, it can't. So my remainder is 4. Okay, I can't fit 5 into 4 because 4 is smaller. So I have a remainder. All right, so my answer is 37, remainder 4. If I wanted to check that answer to make sure it's correct, I can use multiplication. Okay, so I know my answer is 37, so I'm going to do 37 times 5. All right, so 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15, add on the 3. Okay, so the way that I can check is if I have my answer to 37 times 5, if I add on my remainder, I should get the dividend, 185 plus the remainder, which is 4. 185 plus 4 is 189. So yep, this is the correct answer. So my answer is 37 with a remainder of 4.